Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you. Here you can see whenever you are trying to upload your photos on WhatsApp, you can see this option used to came again and again. Okay, suppose here I just click on the gallery and here it shows this one. Okay, so how you can upload the photos or how you can share to your friends, right? So if this problem for you is facing, then let's start the video. And friends, while we are starting the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here you can see the setting, just tap on setting, then after that from here you can see setting will be like this, and from here you have to scroll on the down. Okay, you just keep scrolling and search for the WhatsApp. Okay, on the last option here you can see is the WhatsApp option. So friends, here you have to click on WhatsApp. After that from here, when you click on WhatsApp, here you can see second option. This is the WhatsApp allow WhatsApp to access. Okay, just click on the second option, photos. When you click on photos, from here you can see the allow photos access. You have to click on all photos. Okay, and when you click on all photos, from here you just try to move on WhatsApp. Then after that from here, suppose I click on the select, then after that camera, then here the photos will be came successfully. Okay, no need to click on gallery. Okay, so this is how you can activate your photos on WhatsApp. Okay, if you have faced this problem. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.